pairs of alternate exterior angles. Now we learn about the interior angles. Next is about our alternate exterior angles. See, what is the meaning of exterior? Interior means which is inside the two lines. But what is the meaning of exterior? That means we have to learn about the other angles which are exterior to this line. Then can you give me answer which are the exterior alternate angles are there? See, the angle T, which can be there same situation like the alternate, but in the outside of the line. That is the angle D and angle F. See, these two angles are in other sides of the line. Okay, one angle that is the D here and F is this side. These are the alternate exterior angles. Which are that? Angle D and angle F. Next one, that is angle A and angle G. Okay, these two angles also, one angle is in this side and other angle is this side. So angle A and angle G, it is the second pair of the alternate exterior angles. Any pair is there? Can you give other pairs? No, there are only two exterior pairs are there. Then next, pairs of interior angles on the same side of transversal. Which are the other? See, we learn about the pairs of alternate interior angles. Okay, alternate interior angles. But now we are going to talking about only the interior angles. Then which are the interior angles are there? Like the angle C and angle H. Only at a one side, which are in the same side. This angle are the interior angles, which are like the from this side there is angle C and angle H, and in other side which are the interior angles? That is angle B and angle E. Okay, these are the interior angles, and they are in the same side of the line. Now I hope you understood about the alternate angles, corresponding angles, interior angles and exterior angles. Okay, this it is very important to first we understood about this, then only we can solve our practice set. Next thing what we can do, now all of you know there is a if angle. Okay, see from this figure only, if any angle is in linear position, that is if the angle A and here angle M and here is the angle N, then what will be there? What is their that total or measurement of angle? Can you give me answer? That we have to study. See, suppose here is the angle Q and here is the angle S. Then what will the angle total? It is the 180. Why this 180? Because there is the linear pair. They are making the linear line. See, these pair are in the linear, so that it is the 180. As we know, there is this angle, right? What is this is the angle? It is the 180, and they are also same. Only they are intersect by the line, so that this angle S and angle Q is together making the angle 180. Next is what we can understood, that is the two lines intersect the pair of opposite angles, that is the pair of opposite angles. Suppose this angle S and here Z. Okay, this is the angle S and here angle Z. They are the opposite angles, right? They are the opposite to each other, and when the two opposite angles are also congruent, that means if the measurement of angle S is the 80 degree, then what will be the angle of the Z? It is also 80 degree. That means linear pair 180 degree, and if opposite angles are congruent. Okay, opposite angles are congruent. That you have to just you have to remind. Then when one pair of corresponding angles is congruent, then all remaining pair of corresponding angles are congruent. That means see, if this angle Q and this angle S are the congruent, okay, that means if there already we learned, if this pair is congruent, then other pair of like this, the other pair of the corresponding angles are also congruent. That means if Q is of the 60 degree, that means angle S is also of 60 degree. Okay? That is the small things, but you have to remind it. It is to help to understand your practice set. Now we can see the other theorem is there, corresponding angles theorem. Why the corresponding angles are equal, and to show there is a one theorem. Okay, just see here. See, there is the line and one is intersection line is, and we can give the name these two lines as the L and M. The angle are A, C and B. Okay. Now what is the theorem given? The corresponding angles formed by transversal of two parallel lines are of equal measures. See, there is a condition word given, the transversal. That means the angle which are formed by the transversal of lines. But these lines are the parallel. The parallel when the line is intersect or transverse to the parallel lines, then the corresponding angles are of congruent or equal measurement. Okay. Then we have to prove this theorem. Then first what we have to do? Always we are start with our given. Okay. Whenever we are going to start the theorem, we have to first write given. What is the given? That line L parallel line M and intersect by a transversal line N. See what we write? Line L parallel line N, and what you can see from here, that N is the transversal line. That also we have to mention here. N is the transversal line. Okay. Then next, given done. Now what we have to prove? That we have to write. That's what we have to prove. To prove. What is the question given? That we the corresponding angles are of equal measurement. So, which are the corresponding angles? Angle A and angle B. That means their both measurement is the same. That we have to prove. Then next is our proof. That means what we are given the solution. Then tell me what we can do. There is a C, angle A plus angle C. Can you see there is an angle A and angle C? This is the linear pair. It is the angle of the linear pair. That means what is the addition of this? It is 180. So angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. And for each step you have to write the reason. What we have to write the reason? The angle of linear pair. Okay. Then what is the next? This is your first. Then what you have to write? Angle C and angle B. Angle C plus angle B is also of the 180 degree. Why this is the 180 degree? See, angle C and angle B are the interior angles, and the interior angles are also of the total is 180 degree. Okay. And this is proved by the property of interior angle. That we can see in your textbook also. There is a theorem, and from there we can write the angle C and angle B are of 180 degree. Then now see here, this is also 180 and this is also 180. Then we can write in a one line like the angle A plus angle C is equal to angle C plus angle B. Okay, because both are it is of the 180 degree. Therefore, next step what we can write? See, there is angle C is cut. This angle C is also cut, as you all of you know. Then what is the remaining? Angle A, right, equal to angle B. Okay, angle A is equal to angle B, and this only our we have to show here. That is the question given to prove. Now we prove that the corresponding angles are of in same measurement. Okay, that are the corresponding angles are congruent. By this theorem it is proved. Then next theorem is about the alternate angle theorem. Alternate angle theorem. Suppose this angle A is this side. Then which is the alternate angle? Angle A and angle B. Angle A and angle B are the alternate angle, and that is also of the same measurement. That means if angle A is a 90, not here 90 degree. If angle A is a 60 degree, then B also 60 degree. Okay, that we have to give here alternate angle theorem is given. Then next, now we can start our practice set 2.1. See the practice set 2.1. Practice set 2.1. Question 1. In the figure, line RP parallel line MS and line DK is their transversal. See, now we are starting our practice set 2.2.1. In that, there is a first question is in the figure. There is a figure is given. What is the figure is given? Line. We have to first draw this line. Okay. Then the lines name are given. What is that? Here is the P, S, and R. Here N. Okay, these are our lines. For this D and K, it is of 85 degree. The H and G. This is given in your textbook. Okay. First question. What is our first question? This measurement is given. That is the angle DHP is 85 degree. Then find the measures of the following tables. Then we have to find the given measurement. First question is angle RHD. Which is our first angle given? RHD. Now can you tell me what will be the answer here? See, this angle, they are in the linear pair and one of the angle is of 85 degree. Then what will be the other? That we have to find out. So we can write here for the angle RHD, our answer is see, angle RHD plus angle, what is your name is given, that same you can write. Angle DHP is equal to 180 degree. Then, but we don't know the angle RHD, so we have to write it as it is. That is the angle RHD, and what is the angle DHP is given? 85 degree. So we have to write here 85. Then 180. Then next step what will be? Angle RHD is equal to 180 degree minus 85. Then what will be the answer? Now we have to subtract this 85 from the 180. That is the angle RHD is equal to 95 degree. Okay. Like this, we are getting the our answer of angle RHD is equal to 95. Then next, now you understood how it is because they are the linear pairs, so that their angle is 180. Next question, what given? Angle PHG, which is next question they are asking, angle PHG. See, now we can see the DHP and PHG are linear pairs. Also, the angle RHD, this angle and this angle are the opposite angles, vertically opposite angles. So that what is the measurement of the RHD? It is same with the PHG because they are the opposite angles. So what we can write here? The angle. So we can write angle RHD congruent angle. What is the question given? Angle PHG. That means angle RHD is equal to angle PHG. Therefore, angle PHG is equal to, what is the angle of RHG is 95. If the RHD 95, then angle PHG also 95. Okay. Like third answer is angle HGS. Now we can give. See what is this angle? PHG. It is the 95 degree. Okay. Next your question is asking HGS. HGS. Then how you can give the answer? What will be the answer? There is again you can give the interior angles. Interior angles is of 180 degree. That means these two are total of these two angles are 180 degree. Okay, then you can subtract this. Otherwise you can give like this the corresponding angle as the DHP and HGS are the corresponding angle. That means if the DHP is the 85, then HG is also HGS also 85. In any way you can give your answer. By the interior angle also you can show. Otherwise corresponding angle also you can show. There is the other like this you can give your answer. Now see our second question. See the second question. In the figure, there is again figure is given. What is that? See here. P, Q, L, then M, A, C. Here is the 110 degree. It is the 115 degree. Then here is the D. Like this information. Okay, here is B is remaining, and this angle is the B. Okay. Now, what is the question? In the figure, line P parallel line Q. See, this line P and Q are the parallel to each other, and the line L and line M are transversal. These are the two parallel lines, and line L and line M are the transversal. Okay. We can see that these lines are transfer or intersect to this line, so that they are called the transversal. Measures of some angles are shown. Hence, there is some measurement is given. Now find the measures of angle A, B, C, D. We have to find out this measurement of the angle. Now let us start with our answer. First, tell me from this figure what we understand. There is angle A is there, but opposite there is the angle given. Okay. Here also see, in the linear of the D there is the angle is given 150 and we have to find our answer. Now from this I think you can find easy, like the A and this angle is in the linear pair. So what will be their answer? The 180 degree minus 110. What will remaining? That is the 70 degree. But we have to, how we have to solve these steps? The angle A plus 110. Here name is not given, angle is not given, so that we can directly write the measurement. And what is the total? 180 degree. We have to write the answer in this bracket. The angle of linear pair. Okay. Each and every steps we have to give this reason. Okay, why these steps you are writing. Then angle A is equal to 180 degree minus 110. Then therefore angle A is equal to 70 degree. Okay, thus we got the answer of the angle A is the 70 degree. Now what is the second? It is asked the angle B. See, but how we can give this angle B? Because surrounding there is no angle is given. If there is opposite, then also we can give. There is a linear, then also we can give. But they are not given anything. That's what we have to do. You can do one thing. That means, see, from this there is a 115 given and D is given. It is the linear pair, right? Then 180 minus 115 we can do. So what will be the answer we got? That is of the D. And then this is same with this angle and this angle, and B is the congruent because they are the opposite angles. So we have to find like this. In other ways also you can find like this 110. Okay, we will write. There are many ways that you can write. At first we give this name as any name you can give. Like the I am giving you S. Okay. Then consider, and we have to write this also because it is not given in question. So you are applying for your help to make the solution. So you have to write the consider as shown in the figure, and then start with our steps. This is second about the B. First, what we have to write? The line L and line L is parallel line N. Line L parallel line N, and P and Q, or Q is the transversal. About which angle you have to search. That line you have to show the transversal line. Then line L is the, sorry, as we have to find about the B. So first we have to find about S. So we can show the opposite. So we have to give the line P parallel line Q. L and M are not parallel, P and Q are parallel. And which are the transversal lines we have to show here? S, which is the transversal line. L is the transversal line. Okay. Then what is the next step? That is, see, by this also you are showing the corresponding angles, like the angle A and angle F. They are the upside, both are the upside angles that you can show the corresponding, like the angle A congruent angle F. Why it is the angle it is of the corresponding angle. Okay, then we have to give the reason. Corresponding